Data analysis, analyzing data and producing useful insight are essential in digital marketing. Expertise in using technologies for data analytics such as Google Analytics as well as in understanding and using data to drive decisions are highly regarded. Search engine optimization (SEO) expertise is required to raise organic search rankings. Driving organic traffic requires knowledge of keyword research, on-page optimization, technical SEO, and keeping up with algorithm improvements. Pay-per-click PPC advertising expertise in running PPC campaign on site like Google Ads, social media network is highly valued and recommended. It is essential to have expertise in keyword research, targeting, bid management, performance optimization is very necessary. Content marketing, it's critical to have the capacity to produce interesting and useful content for a variety of digital media like Instagram, etc. There is a high demand for expertise in content planning, creation, distribution, and optimization. It's a very important part. Additionally, advantages are proficiency with content management system and a basic understanding of SEO, search engine optimization. Social media marketing websites are effective advertising platforms. Remember, it is highly desirable to have expertise in social media campaign management, audience targeting, or content production, community management, and social media analytics. Email marketing is still a powerful marketing tool. Remember, it is advantageous to have knowledge of email marketing tools, audience segmentation, and campaign performance analysis. Conversion rate optimization (CRO), the capacity to boost conversion rates through a website and landing page optimization is in demand. It is advantageous to have knowledge of A/B testing, user experience design, website analytics, and user behavior. UX design is very important. Marketing automation expertise with platforms like Marketo or HubSpot for marketing automation is highly valued. It is crucial to have knowledge of lead nurturing, automating workflows, and following customer journeys timely. Mobile marketing, as the number of mobile increases, mobile marketing expertise is in demand. Users are increasing day by day. Discovers mobile marketing, making website mobile friendly and understanding mobile app optimization. Video marketing, the use of video material is growing day by day. Expertise in video production, editing, platform optimization, and video marketing strategy is highly regarded and highly recommended. Keep in mind that the landscape of digital marketing is constantly changing, so it's critical to stay current with market trends and consistently improve your skills if you want to be competitive. Thank you so much.